Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to teach you a new blog for quilting your bag for cushions, pillows, and bag purpose. If you have scrap, then you cut four rectangle 8 centimeter by 14.5 centimeter. Same 14.5 centimeter long and 8 centimeter wide. These 8 rectangles are same measurements, and this is 4 squares of 8 centimeter, 8 by 8 centimeter. This is 8 by 8 centimeter, and this is also 4 square of 8 by 8 centimeter. Hope you understand. These are 12 squares of 8 by 8 centimeter. This is color A, color B, and color C. Then we will put these rectangles like this, placed like this, and here I will make space here and here. This corner to corner. Like this. All are marked like this from inner to outer corner. Means corner to corner diagonal. Stitch here. See, these all four are stitched like from inner to outer side, from inner to outer side, and this is like this. Then we go to cut here from the seam lines, leaving the seam lines like this. Then when you open it, it is seams like this. Okay. This is like this. This is. And now these four rectangles, this color will like this, same as it is from your right side, and from inner corner to outer corner stitch diagonal, same like this. All towards, from inner to outer, towards your right sides. Okay. Here this is stitched like this. When it turns, it seems like this. Here we will cut the extra fabric from here. Remove it with all these fours. We have, this is 4. Then this is like this, so we will place it here. And stitch like this. I will go these all four stitch like that. Okay, thank you. Wait, I will stitch it. stitch like this, and we have the shape like this. Means three color A, B and C all are in a rectangle, and cut here it's extra, trim it. With all these, this is like the shape, and this. Take one and turn its triangle like this towards inner. Now this is three color, we will stitch like this. This gray and this gray will match and overlap and stitch here. Stitch. Now this is done like this. Upper, this triangle is upper, same and same. Now we have to do place like this, center में, place like this and place like this. Then we will stitch like this and stitch like this. Look. Okay. Friends, again this is the final look of it. This beautiful pinwheel here, and you can make your own design by using scrapping. So stay tuned with Shazi Talent. Like, share and subscribe must. Thanks for watching. Look friends, if you turn the same pattern, then you get a new design like this. I just turn the block corners like gray inner side and to make a new design. So enjoy the patchwork and subscribe my channel Shazi Talent. Thanks for watching.